we're doing a meetup, an NMO pop-up shop meetup. I miss your faces. I want to see you guys next week, the 14th. There might be some other creators there.
Let's go. So we're heading over to Matti Haapoja's creator meetup. Apparently there's only 250 spots, so it'll be first come, first serve. I'm not sure how many people are gonna go, but we're gonna head out a little early so we don't get disappointed. I'm also hoping to meet a few people that I've met over on social over the past couple of years on TikTok and Instagram. So we'll see who we get to meet there. Oh, and we're also leaving extra early because Toronto traffic is really bad. So we're gonna allot about an hour, find parking and all of that. Turn. High five. Okay, there you go, girl.
Hey guys, we are heading down to the Matti event. Who's gonna be there today?
Well, because it's Matti, I think Matti's gonna be there.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, well Matti, you think Peter's gonna be there?
Maybe.
I think that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
He shows up.
But that's if we can make it in.
But we're pretty early, right?
Yeah.
I mean, by the time we get, we'll be like an hour early.
We'll be an hour early, yeah. Yeah, hopefully we can get in. If not, it will really suck. This is my spot.
Like your cookies?
Anthony from TikTok.
From TikTok, in the flesh, in the real life. Can you believe it?
I never met him in person, but I'm meeting him today.
We're here. Oh my gosh, there's Pop's Donuts over there, guys.
Donuts?
Sorry, I probably just...
Donuts over there. Are you gonna get a donut?
Yeah.
Donuts? Thank you.
Come back for more, guys.
We'll do.
I got it. Ready? Ready?
Yep. So Daniel, he actually knows Matti, and Matti kind of remembers him. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's funny, right? Because he actually remembered it. He didn't just...
Yeah, he remembers you. Nice. Good stuff.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Oh, hey. Chris, nice to meet you.
Can you get a photo with me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Mario. Nice to meet you.
Wait, were you with Marina when I sold her?
Yeah, that was me.
That's so funny.
So that was like a GG meetup or something?
Yeah.
We didn't know if like one person was going to show up or like 900 and somebody try and murder Matti. So it's a nice in between, which I think is perfect, right?
Yeah, super. Like COVID for me, the hardest thing has been not seeing people, and so like this is incredible.
I say I'm pretty Canadian, so I'll start. I usually say Matti Haapoja.
I will say that is not correct.
That is not correct.
Incorrect. Matti Haapoja.
Ooh, okay.
Incorrect, but if you guys don't know, so this is Steve Antonioni, formerly known as Cash College. Chris, you guys probably all know how, and Alan, of course. Super talented photographers, filmmakers.
So it's great that you are all here. Such a cool environment to have these conversations and.
Hey, so this is me from the future, and that Q&A that they had was very, very insightful. So there are questions asked about how do you get out of a creative rut, how do you stay consistent, how do you stay motivated, but there was one question that was asked and Matti Haapoja responded this way. So the question was, what would you do if you were starting out today on YouTube? And Matti said something that I was completely not expecting at all. He said, start with short form content or vertical video. And I was not expecting to hear that, especially from Matti, because from his previous videos and his podcast, I know that he is not a fan of vertical video. But if you're starting out, starting with vertical content is probably the best way to start to grow or start to get views, because all the algorithms right now, they're all promoting vertical videos. So if you're starting to post YouTube shorts, you'll probably get more views and more success on one of those videos as opposed to a longer form video right now if you're starting with absolutely 0 subscribers. So that was a good takeaway for myself, to start posting more YouTube shorts to help the algorithm help me to push my content out to more people. And once more people start coming in, then hopefully they'll start to watch the long form video. So back to the vlog.
I'm sure some of you would have, you probably have some insights that we didn't say holding the mic, because you are also YouTubers yourselves. So feel free to chat amongst yourselves as well as we close out the evening.
And stay tuned for September.
Stay tuned for September. There might be some stuff.
Might be some stuff. Might be more of these.
This concludes the live Q&A segment of the evening.
Yeah, that was fun. Just got to meet
What's going on, guys?
Daniel.
Yeah.
He helps me a lot in the behind the scenes for a lot of the B-roll stuff. So we just met a bunch of creators. It was really crazy, very inspirational. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the footage that I got of that. You're starting a channel now. Daniel's gonna start a channel.
I feel like I have to now.
Yeah. All right, and I'll continue posting videos, creating videos. So that's it.
Right.